Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. 1,245 new cases, 40 COVID deaths reported in 24 hours. Pakistan has recorded 40 more coronavirus-related deaths in past 24 hours, surging the overall death toll to 12,527. Chief of the Army Staff, General Bajwa, thanks China for providing COVID-19 vaccine. General Qamar Javed Bajwa on Thursday thanked China for providing COVID-19 vaccine to Pakistan. According to the military's media wing, General Qamar Javed Bajwa appreciated the unwavering Chinese support at multiple international fora, capacity enhancement in defense and security domains. Pakistan will continue to support intra-Afghan talks. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Thursday extended a warm welcome to Ahmad Wali Masood, the head of Masood Foundation, Afghanistan, and said that Islamabad and Kabul were bound by a fraternal relationship rooted deep in shared history and commonalities of faith, culture, and traditions. UK variant not causing worse illness in children. The coronavirus variant, first identified in the UK, does not cause more severe diseases in children than variants circulating earlier in 2020. Parts of Saudi Arabia received unusual snowstorm weather warning issued. The winter season, which is called Kashta, in Saudi Arabia brought snowstorms, with the people stepping out of their homes to catch a glimpse of the strange, fascinating weather. Japan finds new COVID-19 strain while Immigration Center reports infections. Japan confirmed a new variant of COVID-19 and an infection cluster emerged at a Tokyo immigration facility, presenting new challenges as the country tries to overcome a third wave of pandemic.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.